Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel Intexture by A&K. In today's video, we're going to talk about modern interior design ideas. So, let's get started. From marble countertops to brass fixtures, home design trends come and go. And while some make a comeback, others are best left in the past. Some of the most everlasting looks revolve around a modern home interior. That's why we have rounded up the top modern interior design ideas so you can be ahead of the curve. From glamorous to simple, a number of modern interior design ideas can make your home feel fresh, current and stylish. And the best thing about the new trends is their versatility. It's not only about the key pieces, it's much more about what you enjoy and what makes you happy. Comfort is the new black. Modern living room decor thrives on deep cushions and body-embracing shapes, creating an inviting flair with a sense of warmth. These arrangements allow you and your guests to cocoon in your private little world and disconnect for a while. So be sure to include them into your modern design makeover ideas. Vintage lighting is making a major comeback, but that's not all. Oversized curvy floor lamps, shapy chandeliers, and statement wall sconces will add distinctive style and personality to modern design styles. So include natural materials, sculptural forms, concrete bases, and bold color combinations in your home. Before we go any further with this video, if you want to support us, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Say goodbye to close encounters with sharp table edges. Curves are not only cool, but they're also friendly. Incorporate them into your modern home design to effortlessly elevate its organic style flair. Keep an eye on sculptural side tables, coffee tables with curved legs and tops, or wooden accent chairs designed exclusively around this trend. Curved lines are not only in furniture but in every detail of a trending modern home design. You will find them on walls, niches, arches, fixtures, and art. Once again, it's all about conveying an organic feel to make a modern style more inviting and enjoyable. Modern home design styles embrace lifestyle concepts that enhance the mental wellness of its residents as much as their physical comfort. Whether it's the sophisticated French or sensual Italian, there is a modern home decor style philosophy that fits the premise. The gold, metallic-y finish has been trending since 2022. Now it's translated to bring the sensation of sundown into a modern home design. The warm color temperature of golden shades is reminiscent of sunset and will be a popular choice among those who want to brighten their homes or offices. If there was ever an appropriate time for incorporating more convenient portable LED lamps into your life, now would be it. With so many genuinely stylish new designs, finding something stunning while eliminating irksome wires from your daily life is easy. The future of home office design is assured. It's here to stay. Modern interior design adapted to the necessity for a workspace at home by making it feel stylish and natural even in tiny spaces. We'll see more and more creations aimed at combining different purposes, providing you with everything from storage to cooking space. Many of these can fold away in a swift motion too. The border is back in fashion, but this time around it's more free-spirited. It can wind around woodwork or break up segments of spaces. You can easily refresh your modern house interior with modernized classic patterns. In other words, feel free to decorate the room with vibrant color flashes and unexpected scales. The future is here, and it's not robots taking over. That said, technological advancements also affect modern interior design aesthetics by finding ways to fuse futuristic tech with roots from yesteryear. Turn to films like Blade Runner for inspiration. Incorporate dark Art Deco elements or blend the old film noir flair with smart home functionality. A modern minimalist living room is clean and easy on the eyes, but that doesn't imply austerity. In fact, you can elevate both coziness and comfort by emphasizing tactile qualities. A limited color palette thrives on proper shading, so tactical use of negative space may convey a lot of depth and dynamics as a result. Using sleek and minimalistic lines throughout a home is a perfect way to exude effortless elegance. Incorporate statement, sculptural ceramic pieces into your home. Think matte surfaces, abstract tribal shapes, twisted tubes, donuts, and more. And if you want something other than whites and creams, matte red and green clay ceramics bring a welcome, inspiring twist. Organic modern style decor rooted in nature is here to stay. It's now also a part of various trends and other styles, making it easy to find the most fitting way to incorporate it into your home. Adding plants and greenery throughout your space in the form of indoor gardens is one of our favorites because they're so versatile. For some time, we have witnessed modern interior design shifting towards more pastel and muted shades. It's a change driven by desire for a more calming and tranquil space, a haven from the stresses of daily life. Whatever upcoming trends have in store, it's safe to say that some lavender, sea blue, and muted greens will be present. As recent years have greatly affected our lifestyle, it's no wonder stylish home wine bars also grew in popularity alongside home offices, as it looks like they are here to stay and for a good reason. Home wet bars offer a sophisticated and stylish way to entertain guests. Moreover, they can be easily incorporated into any type of home, whether as a focal point of the interior or a space-savvy feature tucked in a corner. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.